Hi my people, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make scotch egg. I know it's a very tasty snack. We'll be preparing this scotch egg with chicken, sausage. You can make use of any type of sausage, by the way. Everything I use for this scotch egg recipe will be in the description box. Do well to check it out, and don't forget I'll be leaving everything too on the screen. If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, welcome, and do well to subscribe, okay, to join the family. Enjoy the rest of the video. this is a little behind the scene. These are the preparation I made before I filmed the Scotch egg video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the behind the scene. This is breadcrumb. Preserve your breadcrumb with bay leaf to keep it from getting moldy. And fresh, it leaves it fresh too. You can substitute the breadcrumb with cornflakes, crushed cornflakes, and godimon. Make sure you blend it. Okay, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.